Hello, my name is Derek Sang, and today I'm going to be presenting my project, which is the randomized LED slot machine. So basically how I was inspired was I did Lab 2 and I really enjoyed working with LEDs. So I decided to try out and make a slot machine. I also just really love cool visuals. So basically my technical approach was that I wanted to first build out a random number generator. And I thought this was going to be easy, but it turns out there was a lot of difficulties, especially since the built-in random number generator is actually just pseudo-random. So I ended up using the light sensor and the analog to digital converter, and then I used that to seed my random number generator. So all of the colors on the board are truly random. When I reset the board, it also starts randomly. Other than that, I use state transitions to ensure that I'm on the correct state for my LED machine. And I also basically use a score calculator to calculate the score based on the Euclidean distance between all of the red, green, and blue values for each pair of LEDs. And I'll do a quick demo real quick. So given this board, there's 3 LEDs, each one refers to one slot. And unlike a traditional slot machine, you have the ability to decide when to click each one as opposed to clicking it once and having it all decide. So I'm gonna click this once, and you see the first LED right here has stopped. Now the second one has stopped, and click it a third time, and the third one has stopped. And since this green light has been lit up, it shows that you've actually won. And I calculated the odds. The odds are more towards the house, and you win around 40% of the time, you lose 60% of the time, so probably not the best to gamble. And I'm gonna see if I can get a red LED, which means that I lost. So I'm just gonna click it, and that's too bad. Turns out we lost. So that's a quick demo, and real quick before I end things, I'm gonna go through some advice for students. I think that having a good understanding of randomness and RNGs as well as ADCs is really important for this project, especially if you're going to be generating random colors or just working with random things, which people often do in a lot of areas. There's also a big technical difficulty that I encountered with working with the LCD screen, so I ended up not opting to use it. I was going to use it for score counting, but it turns out it actually messed with the initialization of the LEDs and also setting the LEDs, so I opted not to do that. Other than that, I think it was a very interesting project, and I'm thankful that it turned out well, and good luck to yours. Thanks.